Dear students, now we'll take the lesson. Look at the text, all of you. We'll go through the lesson, the first and second part of our lesson. Okay. Now, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Okay, their friendship was so strong. The friendship of Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury was so strong that when one of them went out of the village, the other one take care of the family of the one who left from the village. So they were having a close bond with the family also. They take care of each other's family as well. Both were greatly respected in the village. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. We have seen that. So, Juman's old aunt is there and she had some property. No one was there to take care of her and she transferred this property in the name of Juman. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. For some years, everything was going on smoothly. Okay. Then the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the older relative. Now, as the time was going on, passing on, the family of Juman got tired of this old lady. Juman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. And Juman's wife, they were having their relationship got strained. They had some crack in their relationship and the relationship was not going very smoothly. And not only that, Juman's wife showed that while she was giving food to the old lady, to the aunt, she swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months. What do you mean by swallowed these insults? That means she suffered everything. She kept quiet. As the food they gave to her, with the food, she will be blabbering, she will be telling something against this old lady, but she didn't listen. She thought that it is my fate. So she swallowed. That means she suffered whatever they told. All the insults along with their food for a few months. But patience has its limits. Now, for everything there is a limit. She was suffering everything for quietly for some days. She was suffering all these insults, and she was swallowing. That means suffering. But for everything there is a limit. We are all human beings. When it is coming too much, all will lose our confidence, we will lose the courage, and we will also sometimes will break down. Okay. One day she spoke to Juman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. She told my son Juman. Now I am quite sure that you did not want me in this house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen, she asked. Now you have taken my property. Now I don't bother. Okay, you keep my property with you, but at least give me a monthly allowance for me so that I can make my own food in a separate kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman shamelessly. And Juman, what was the reply? My wife knows how to run a house, not you. Very shamelessly said, because shameless means he's having her property with him, but still he shamelessly said that my wife knows how to run a house, not you. This made his aunt very angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. For many days, the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. So she went the whole village. She went to one after another. The whole house she went and at last she went to Algu Chaudhary also. Some teased her, some laughed at her, and few others advised her to make, some laughed at her, some teased her, and some told, be patient. You have to, it is your fate, you have to suffer. Make it up with her nephew and his wife. Now you have to make up with your nephew and his wife. At last she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Algu Chaudhary said. Chachi means aunt. You know, Juman is my best friend. And how can I go against him? But it is right, my son, to keep mum and not to say what you consider just and fair. And she said that, okay, it's good. What is right, you know what is right. And what is justice and injustice, you know very well. But some people, because of they may be forced to do something, to close their eyes before injustice. So you are doing like that. It's okay. I don't have any problem with you because you have strong friendship with each other. So no problem. Now, can you do one thing? Will you come to the panchayat with me? Come to the panchayat and speak the truth, she said. Algudin replied, but her words kept ringing in his ears. Now, Juman's aunt told, at last, Algu, I know that you are Juman's friend. You cannot support me, but at least you come to the panchayat and say that what your conscience say. Speak the truth in the panchayat. So, part 2. The panchayat was held the same evening under an old banyan tree in northern states. You can see a lot of villages and there will be banyan trees, and the panchayat will be taken out of, there will not be big hall to have the meetings. So all the meetings will be under the shady tree. Then there was a banyan tree. It was very shady tree and the panchayat took place there. Juman stood up and said, the voice of the panch is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate the head panch. I will abide by her decision. Now, what's the meaning? Abide. Abide means abide by accept. So, Juman said that. The words of, you have to listen that sentence. The voice of the panch, punch means the head. The voice of the panch is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate. Nominate means she can appoint anyone. Nominate the head panch. I will abide by her decision. So, the panch knows neither friend nor enemy. The panch has no friend. In the meeting, the panch is the head super. And he has to listen to his inner voice. So, he has no friends, no enemies in that meeting. So, what do you say to Algu Chaudhary? The old lady announced. Now, this was told by Juman's aunt. The panch knows neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Algu Chaudhary? The old lady announced. Fine, replied Juman, hiding his joy over his unexpected piece of luck. Now, his aunt, Juman's aunt, suggested Algu Chaudhary as the panch. And Juman became very happy because his friend has become the panch. And definitely he will side with me. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman, said Algu. I know that, replied the aunt. But I also know that you will not keep your conscience for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the panch, and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. Now, this paragraph is very important, the full inner voice, the conscience is there. I know that, the aunt said that. I know Algu Chaudhary is your friend. And God lives in the heart of the punch. That means we have here judges are there in our country now. Punch means just like our judge. The judge has to pass the verdict for justice, not for injustice. Give vote for the justice, not for injustice. That is the inner court. So, God lives in the heart of the punch, and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. Juman said, Algu, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. And Algo said that we are very close friends from our childhood. And your aunt is dear to me as you, she is dear to you. Now I am a punch. Now I am the punch. You and your aunt are equal before me. Now for me, since I am the punch, I have no difference between you are my close friend and she is, now in the case she is your rival. But I have no difference. Both are in the equal stand. So, you and your aunt are equal before me. What have you to say in your defense? 3 years ago, began Juman. My aunt transferred her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife, and 3 years have passed, and there were quarrels between my wife and aunt. So the quarrels were going on like that, but I cannot stop it. I was helpless. These two ladies were quarreling each other, and I cannot side with my friend, my wife, or with my aunt. So I was helpless. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible. That's all I have to say. And Juman said that. Now my aunt is asking for a monthly allowance, but I cannot agree with that. Juman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Then Algu announced, we have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her. Juman passed the verdict. He said that either Juman has give a monthly allowance to his aunt, or he has to return the property to his aunt. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship between them was broken. In fact, Juman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. Now both the friends their relationship got strained, and they seldom see each other, and they became enemies. They wanted to take revenge each other. These are the two parts, first two parts of our lesson, fair play, and the third part I will take in the next class.